Hello and welcome to this May 21st edition of ScandiPWA Weekly Community Session with Merchants. Alex here today with you, and we have three main topics, three main highlights from the past week that every merchant would be interested to learn about. First one is Magento 2.3.5 support is here. Then I'm going to share a new documentation page, a new documentation file that was added this week, and there will be one really cool use case of ScandiPWA in the end of this session, so stay with us and let's move forward to our main update. The Magento 2.3.5 support is here, so you can see our latest release in github.com. Basically, the main takeaway is that the latest version of Magento, which is 2.3.5, is now compatible with ScandiPWA theme, and this is great news for everyone. Either you would like to build a project from scratch, or you're willing to use ScandiPWA for your existing project, which is running on the latest version. Now we have support for 2.3.5, and you are able to use ScandiPWA. In case your developers have any questions or any assistance needed, simply go to GitHub and read the release notes, or join our Slack channel to get assistance and help from the development team. So this is really great news, as we have received a lot of questions when the support for 2.3.5 version will be available, and finally it is available. And let's move to the second topic for today's session, the updated docs. Creating a ScandiPWA plugin tutorial is released. Now this is a bit technical update, but since every merchant is interested in having custom extensions implemented for their store, this is something really interesting as we are moving forward. Firstly, last week we have announced a new video tutorial that is available on our YouTube on how to create an extension in ScandiPWA. We are explaining the extensibility functionality that will be available in the upcoming 3.x ScandiPWA free version. So this is a sneak peek to upcoming version. We are already adding some content, and this release is expected to be available really soon. So we are started to gradually add some content so that your developers or your agency can learn, can share your feedback with us, and basically you are ready to implement an extension when the ScandiPWA free .x version is released. So last week we have released a video. The link is added to the description, so if you want to check it out, you can do it after watching this one. And this week we have also released a really detailed tutorial. We have asked for your feedback, and we have received your feedback from the community. We have incorporated some changes and tried to create a really detailed tutorial, so every developer or agency will be really happy to work with. In this particular on this particular page, you can find the explanation of extensions file structure and a step-by-step algorithm of creating a simple extension. So after reading the documentation, you will have the your developers will have the knowledge to understand how to create an extension. Still, if in case of any help needed, feel free to reach out to us, and we will definitely help you by answering your questions or connecting to one of ScandiPWA solution partners. And speaking about solution partners, we have a third interesting update for today's session. I'd like to present a really interesting ScandiPWA use case. And I was really happy to find this information while browsing on LinkedIn. So the one of ScandiPWA partner agencies that are using ScandiPWA in building their projects, they have announced a really interesting store, dforiginal.com, and this is really great to see that there is finally possibility to create a really fast Magento 2 store, and it's particularly great to see that they're using ScandiPWA to build this fast Magento store. And let's check the project itself. So as you can see, this is a really custom implementation and a really nice project. We can see some additional information here, so everything is running smoothly. Make sure to check this project if you'd like. And thanks for to our partners for using ScandiPWA. Of course, you can find a link to all ScandiPWA solution partners on our website in the partners directory. Here we have listed all agencies that are working with the solution, so make sure to connect with anyone you are willing to. So this was a quick update from my side. Make sure to send your questions and comment in case you have anything to add. This is my email address, and thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye bye.